Have you ever wondered if blackberries are good for you? It's a question that has crossed many minds, especially those who are health conscious. There's a common misconception that blackberries, like most berries, are just sweet treats with little to no nutritional value. But that's far from the truth. Blackberries are more than just sweet treats. They are powerhouses of nutrition, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're not just good for you, they're fantastic for your health. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to incorporate them into your daily diet. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, in your oatmeal for breakfast, or blended in a smoothie, blackberries can effortlessly become a part of your daily routine. Consistency, after all, is the key to reaping the full benefits of these super berries. Now, you might be surprised to learn the numerous health benefits that blackberries can provide. Blackberries, small as they may be, are packed with a punch of health benefits. Now let's dive into the myriad of health advantages these tiny berries offer. First and foremost, blackberries are a powerhouse of antioxidants. These are substances that help protect our cells against free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can lead to chronic diseases. By including blackberries in your diet, you're essentially giving your body an extra line of defense against these harmful invaders. Secondly, blackberries are abundant in vitamins, particularly vitamin C and vitamin K. Vitamin C is crucial for your body's healing process and is well known for boosting the immune system. On the other hand, vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone metabolism. It's like a two-for-one deal, where you get to enjoy the sweet and tangy taste of the berries while nourishing your body. Now let's talk about brain health. Research shows that the antioxidants found in blackberries, specifically anthocyanins, may help in preserving brain function and staving off memory loss. So if you're looking for a brain-boosting bite, blackberries could be your go-to snack. Moving on to digestion. Blackberries contain a good amount of dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, helping prevent constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. So not only do blackberries taste good, but they also help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Lastly, the immune system. Blackberries are rich in minerals like copper, which is involved in the production of white blood cells. These cells play a crucial role in keeping your immune system strong and ready to fight off infections. So, with all these health benefits, it's clear that blackberries are indeed good for you. Their tiny size belies the big impact they can have on your health. Whether you're munching on them as a snack, blending them in a smoothie, or using them as a topping for your favorite dessert, you're giving your body a delicious dose of health-boosting nutrients. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a punnet of blackberries. Your body will thank you. Now that you know the benefits, you might be wondering how to incorporate blackberries into your daily diet. Well, there's a multitude of ways to do so. For starters, how about adding a handful of these juicy berries to your breakfast cereal or oatmeal? Their natural sweetness can give your morning a delightful kickstart. Not a breakfast person? No problem. Try using blackberries in your salads. They add a pop of color and a burst of flavor that can take your greens to another level. Now, if you have a sweet tooth, blackberries can be your go-to fruit for desserts. Think about a blackberry crumble or a blackberry sorbet. Delicious, right? And let's not forget about smoothies. Blackberries can lend a lovely purple hue and a tart sweetness to your smoothie. There's a link to the smoothie diet in the video description for more ideas. With these simple ideas, it's easy to make blackberries a part of your daily diet. But remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of a healthy diet. It's like working out. You can't expect to see results after just one session. The same applies to your diet. Eating blackberries once won't make a significant difference. However, incorporating them into your daily diet can have profound effects on your health over time. Consistent healthy eating habits can contribute to weight loss, improved digestion, enhanced immunity, and overall better health. It's not just about eating the right food, but making it a regular part of your life. Think about it. Our bodies are constantly working, repairing, and regenerating themselves. The fuel we provide them with through our diet plays a crucial role in these processes. So, make a commitment to yourself to consistently fuel your body with the right foods. Your health is directly linked to what you eat and drink. It's really that simple. So why not start by adding some blackberries to your diet?